Hello there. So today we will point this naked IP address to a specific domain. Instead of writing an IP address to access your CyberPanel, we'll just use a domain so that it will be easier. So to do that, just go to websites, and first of course you need to log into your CyberPanel. So to that, just go to websites, create website, select default, select admin, and then check this test domain, input your domain name, write your email, select PHP. So I'm selecting SSL, DKIM support, open base directory protection, and create website. Next, we will add 2 A records so that we can use the domain. So to do that, we will use rather a free Cloudflare account. Let's create an A record. Just click add record. So use A record. We will use we'll make it at. So your IP address here, just use this one. And be sure to uncheck this proxy because it will block the 8090 port. Just click save. We'll add another one for www. Same IP and uncheck proxy. Click save and go to your domain register and copy and paste this Nameservers. I'm using Nameservers, so just copy and paste these 2 Nameservers and click save. So finally we've created a website. So next is go to SSL, go to Hostname SSL, and select the domain and click issue SSL. So we'll just go to our domain name and port 8090 to access our CyberPanel. So that's it. Let's try to log in. So there you have it. We have successfully pointed the naked URL to, or rather the naked IP to a specific domain. So thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.